Okay. Oh my goodness. Ate, ano niya do yung ulian ko? Baning?
Victoria.
Ujunga.
Papalit ka, ate?
I don't know.
Sige, kuha ikaw, kuha. Ano, kuha man duha para kim jowa na bega ka.
I don't have money right now. Sorry.
We will ask Mama! Ito. Baby na karawat. Ikaw, adult mo?
Use the camera that.
You come here, I cover this.
Ujungan, ma'am, no?
Opo. Do not carry that one. Ano?
Victoria. Ito na yung ID, ma'am.
Thank you. Nali daw ako kay Masiro.
Mama, this is for boys or girls?
What's the point?
You can choose. Mama, is this for boys or girls?
Is it finished?
Tagpiraan, wala ka mo nagpakiaan. Hindi rin afford. Pila yung mga kwante. Kitchen.
Chin, ma'am, 20, ma'am.
Ay, sige. Kitchen na latiyo.
Tatagdi.
Ano?
Yung pagilib na natin sila hiya. Kita tagdiya. Nakita pa ko niya marata.
What Ramsel, what do you like? You want a boat?
Chalan good man niya.
I like
Sige. What is that? Show mama.
swim there. Mama, you get your bag, the green one, the metro. Please.
Why? We are going home na today.
No, we're not gonna be go home. We need to swim.
Ito simpa. You are black na nga ni.
Mama, we're not gonna be go home.
You have sunburn na. Oh.
We're not gonna be go home.
What are we going to do, man?
Yeah. I want to go. I want to. I'm not going to home.
You stay here? Huh? You stay here?
I'm. We're not gonna go home.
What are you doing, man? You stay here lang?
Ride a van.
We're gonna ride a van.
We're not ride a van.
Alright.
We're not.
What are we going to do, man? What do you want?
To wash.
Where?
Feet. It's dirty.
Daw, show me daw. What are you going to do, man?
Washing them.
In the beach? Oh, come on. We will not take a bath, ha? Kay the boat will leave us.
Can we go in here?
We will come back na lang next time.
I want to go there.
What will you do?
Over here.
What will you do there?
I'm going in over there. Over here.
You want to swim pa? You want to swim?
Yeah. We need swimming t-shirt, swimming shorts. We need that. Please.
Sige, you change yan eh.
I want to change. Oh, okay. Here? Here?
Here.
Just here?
Okay.
I cannot step in the sand.
Why?
Because I will go goose.
Why you want kugos?
Mama, help me. I'm stuck. Mama.
Why you want kugos?
Mama, I want to go goose.
You step in.
Sand there.
What will happen to the sand?
Mama.
Kay you said you want to take a bath.
I want to take a bath.
Sabay gusto na magmay luluwat.
Milo. I already ate it.
Milo na lang na ano.
Ay, nanging.
Gusto niya ikaw ni
Ikaw na di nga murat. What is Andre looking for?
Let's go over there. I have friends.
Pinanawag natin usa. Pinanawag natin usa kaya naman ako nakarigo.
Mama they said no. Mama said only rin sulit ka babat.
Zoom him, zoom him.
I thought you will take a bath na in the shower.
Ay wala shower, masigi ito pero wala ka shower.
I thought you will take a bath na in the shower and then we will just wait make for sandcastle.
You change. Papa, you change swimming shorts.
Okay, we are leaving na.
No!
Yummy? Aray ko.
Ang ating CR until alas 9 lang. So, kung nanay,
Ha? Sayang.
Why?
Why is that best friend?
Ang tangis yan.
Strawberry.
You will come back here pa?
Ang tangis na.
Ha?
Ito yung sarili sa?
You will come back here?
Where's my phone?
No phone.
I'm not coming back here.
Okay. Pink tang. Ready na, sir.
Yay, kanigaw. Yes, kanigaw. Yes, tama. Diyan.
La, anak. Iiritom ka man. Papa! Sige, go. Ure gara to gimbilin pa, ada gara duha akong wallet.
Ano?
Antikit na iagim nimin.
Oh,
No. Goodbye ka na ga. Hello. Bye.
Good luck.
Good luck to who?
Good luck, Island.
good luck talaga na.
Thank you, Kamiga.
Bye, Kamiga. Thank you. In the pool.
Yeah, look for the next time. We will look for what we're planning for the next trip.
Can I go in the pool?
There's one with the pool.
Papa's big room.
You're going to have a big room in a resort.
There's the bed, there's a fan over there, and there's the aircon up there, and there's the TV, and there's the calendar, and also there's the things, and also clothes, damit and gamit.
Dami.
Up.